guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing none other than a cute wig install. So my daddy bought me this, not my actual dad, but my sugar daddy bought me this wig, and I'm excited. Remember I told you guys in my last video that I was going to be doing a wig install. So this is the wig. It's a 30-inch bust down, period. And it comes with this wig cap, which I will be installing. I'm not gonna do the whole full wig cap install. I'm just gonna do a little bit because the fact that I don't really want to keep this wig on for longer than 2 weeks. So because of that, I don't really glue it on. I only glue it on if I'm gonna keep it on for a month. I don't plan on keeping this wig on for a month because he already told me to pick another wig that he will order for me. So yeah. Anyways, give me a sec. Okay, so it did also come with this band right here. I thought it was so cute because like I could just click it in the back of the wig, and then it's just yeah, very excited about that. So let's just take her out of her misery, right? She wants to be worn. She wants to be worn. So let's do that. I do want better lighting, so I'm probably gonna put on my my lights. This hair, oh my god, I am in love. Okay, look at this. Oh my god, do you see this? And it comes pre-plucked. It says pre-plucked. It is HD transparent lace. So like, you see, I can show you guys. So like, see that? Oh, I fucking love this. All this lace for no reason. I'm gonna be taking this shit off. I fucking love this. It's so soft. You see how long she is? How sweet it is. 30 inches. 30-inch wig. Yeah. So bouncy. Oh my god. Okay, I'll be right back. Honestly, I love this hair. I feel like the Little Mermaid, or fuck, no. I feel like that that one lady in that one movie. Her skin is blue and she got the red hair. It's for Marvel. When I figure out what her name was, I will put it up right here. But I feel like her, like, oh my god. I fucking love this. But I don't know if I want to, because I don't want to see the wig cap. Does that make sense? So I think I'm just gonna put my hair, I think I'm just going to put gel on my baby hair and take the wig cap off, because to be honest, I don't really use wig caps that much. I'm out of breath. I don't really use wig caps anymore. For some reason, I just hate the way they just, you know, they just make the thing look so bad. They make the hair look so bad. But like, I don't know if you guys can see, but like you can see it right there, like right there. That's where the wig that starts, and it's like I can't do it. I don't know. I want it to look like it's in my scalp. Like, look at that. You can see it. You can see the damn wig cap. I can't do this. I just can't. So I'm going to not wear a wig cap. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is what I ended up doing. The hair doesn't really hold curl, but I really like the hair. It's cute, but I just feel like it's not as they advertised it. It definitely does not hold any curls. I've been curling this thing for an hour now, which is okay, it's whatever. But I do love the length. It's like about a 150 density. I will leave a link to the wig down below in the description. I hope you guys like this install. I want you guys to go ahead and none other than like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and be part of my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful May babies. Bye! I shine so bright, you might go